fix it. Knowing that burnt is bitter, the things that how you fix it is sugar. So I grabbed some cream immediately, and I grabbed some capers. Both was salty, and one was sweet. When you reduce cream, it turns sweet. Sort of like when you have caramel. When you burn sugar, you add caramel and it fixes up, and then you add a little more sugar to it, and that's how you fix it. It's the same thing with this, nothing different. So as an example, I'm reducing the cream with the pasta, and then I'm adding smoked liquid and smoked salmon. My boy Jennison, he's like, whoa, dude, this is amazing. Oh my God, why didn't I think of this? Followed up it, and I threw some more smoked liquid in it, and I give it to my boy Jennison. Bro, this is good. Following person I need to show it to was my friend Ben. This guy was a hard person to get by. So I give it to him, and he's got the spoon, and he goes...